Just getting ready for my first day back to work. Here we are. We have all of my keys, my equipment keys, my shop key. That's my house key because sometimes I leave my personal keys at work and then bring my truck home. And I don't have a truck key yet, but I'll get one. My Zonar card, my fuel cards, my credit card. Of course, my Benadryl and my Tylenol. So there's all the stuff I keep in my lunchbox all the time. Looks like we're ready to go. All right, guys, well, here's the stuff that I packed up before I left work this last time. I've got some gloves, which I'll need in the truck. Hard hat, I'll need that. Safety vest that isn't mine. Apparently I stole someone's safety vest. Whoops. And I got a phone mount. That's important. My raincoat. I don't need to go in the truck. Oh, bandana. Phone charger. Oh, this is the charger for my headset, so I can be super trucker headset. On a serious note, Blue Parrot's the best one you can get if you actually want to hear people when you talk on the phone and they want them to hear you. And charger or a phone thing for my iPhone charger. And then paperwork. So that's good. So we'll have to get all this stuff into the trucks, get ready to do some work. And I just realized my hammer is missing. I guess I'm gonna need a new hammer. Stuff's rolling around in the back of the car. Just heading into work. It's middle of the day. I'm gonna guess that everybody's gonna be at lunch by the time I get there. It's all good though. Hopefully my truck's inside because they were gonna put the decals on it today. That would make it a lot nicer to check it out and put my stuff away in, and this fits inside out of the rain. It is not a nice day here at all. Alright, here's my mini fridge. I haven't pulled it out yet. I just opened the box, but oh, it's pretty little. Look at that guy. Oh. Cold, warm, off. Oh, this is pretty cool. Oh, nice. Inside here we've got power outlet. Plug it into the truck or into the wall, so that's cool. This, I wonder where that would go. Huh. I'll figure it out, I guess. I gotta read the directions. Now I gotta find a place in the truck to put it. Oh, they added these lights to the rail here. So, marker lights. They're not done wiring this side. All right, so behind the PTO back here is a huge space. I decided to keep it off the wall here so that I could reach back and open it. It's not mounted yet. I can reach in and out right here. And it's away from the seat so that I can turn it to cold or to warm or off from here. Pretty easy. Fancy. Alright guys, well, so it's been cooling for about 5 minutes now. I'm gonna reach down in here and see what it's like. Oh, it's definitely colder in there. It's probably like, I don't know, probably 40 degrees after 5 minutes. That's pretty good. This thing's pretty cool. I'm just in here pushing buttons, and there's a camera in the box. Wow. Oh my gosh, this is ridiculous. Rear cam, then 2 spots that no input. That's insane. This is crazy. Look at technology. So weird. Does this one pan? No, doesn't pan. I'm gonna turn it off. Wow, that is so cool. You just found a camera in the box. Okay, I got done pushing buttons on the camera. It's just crazy. Just checking out the controls here. We have a vibrator for the material. So I've never had a truck that had a vibrator. So this is exciting. Hopefully no more shoveling. It's the PTO, the Maxle. So this is the strong arm in the back. This switch pulls the flaps up for paving, the mud flaps. And this controls the tarp. Apparently you can only have the tarp rolled out when the axle's down, so you gotta put the axle down, roll the tarp out, and then when you get to the job site you gotta roll the tarp in and then lift the axle, and this opens the tailgate. And this here controls the box up and down. Easy, pretty self-explanatory. Okay, so the guys are still working on the truck, getting it ready. They put the decals on the sides and then the number decals, and it's got DOT numbers, and ta-da! Oh, that's the back of it. Look at that. So I got my key to my truck. There isn't any driving it today because they're adding those lights on the rails of the box, and then they're gonna change out the rear lights. I think he called them switchers. I don't know exactly what it is. It just means that like the brake lights, they're red when, you know, when they're just lit, and when you push on the brake they light up red, and then when you put it in reverse they turn white to help back up. So they're gonna put those on. And then they also have some other lights that are gonna be their flush mount lights that are strobe. And he didn't show me them or anything, so I don't know, we'll see. I'm sure it'll be great. But I got my fridge in there, and I found a couple of the things that I was missing, like my safety vest. One of the guys found it in my old truck in DT3 before I returned it, and it was in the desk in the office, or in the shop office, I guess. So found that, so we're good to go there. And yeah, so I was supposed to be back to work today, of course, and there's just no work, and so I guess I continue my leave until there is more work. Yeah, so I got a new drone, and if you have subscribed to me on Patreon, you would have seen that, because I already posted a video of me trying to learn how to fly it, and I'm sure there's gonna be more because I am not good at it. But thanks for watching, guys, and I will see you next time. Bye. Okay guys, when we were down at the shop, there was a box for me, and it's addressed to the company where I work, and then it says care of Dominique, the dump truck driver. It's from Michael B. Holman. He's from Tigard, Oregon. I don't have a knife, so I have my nail file. Let's see what's in here. Oh. Okay. Oh, I'm guessing that this is him here. Hope you guys can see that pretty good. It's from Mike. That's a pretty sweet truck there. Got a pair of gloves, which I probably need. They'll probably fit me perfectly. Yep, they do. Ooh, and a scraper. This would be perfect for asphalt that I'm gonna be hauling now that I'm super solo driver. That's awesome. Thank you, Michael. And that was really sweet of you. And I really appreciate this. These will go to use, and I'll put them right here with the rest of my tools that are gonna go right into my truck. Thank you so much.